So over here you can see that I'm in the dashboard section of wordpress.com. And if I were to go around over here onto the pages section, then you can see that I only have one page right now. But if I were to go ahead and click on add a new page, I can simply go ahead and add another page to my website right here, just like this. So you can see that I can add in gallery, let's say for example, and simply choose a template right here. And then let me just go ahead and publish this out right here. But the main thing that we're going to focus on right now is the page list block. So let's just go around over here onto the view pages section. And here you can see that I actually have two pages right here. So let's just go around over here onto the post section and then go around onto my sample post. Let's say for example, then what I'm going to do is, let's say for example, add in a page list block. And here you can see that I added in a gallery page, and you can see that this is what you have. This is a page list block right here. Let me just go ahead and add one from scratch. So now in order to go ahead and add in a page list block, I need to go around in between two blocks, let's say for example, and then type in page list right here. So once you go ahead and do that, the number of pages that I have in my website actually shows up right here as a link. So you can go ahead and click, and you can see that you have an option to go ahead and change around the size of the page as well, just like this. You can also go around and change around the dimension right here by adding in margin right here, as you can see right here, just like this. And you can go ahead and add in border and radius to this as well. Let's say for example, I can choose a color of the border and increase out the border size right here and change around the radius of it as well, or enter out the value as I want. Let me just go ahead and save this, and then let me just go and expand this. And once you do that, you can see that I got two pages over here. If I were to click on about, then it simply goes to the next page. And if I were to click on the gallery page, then it simply goes on to the next page right here, just like this as well. And that is how you can work around with the page list block inside of wordpress.com to have links to your page in your website. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.